Welcome back. In your morning medical news, a deadly listeria outbreak tied to frozen supplemental shakes has killed 11 people and sickened dozens across 21 states, including Minnesota. The FDA says these are the affected products. They were sold under Sysco Imperial and Lions Ready Care brands, distributed to hospitals and care facilities around the nation. While the products have been recalled, the CDC says the outbreak traces back to 2018. Symptoms can appear days or weeks after exposure. Severe and even deadly flu cases are surging across the country in what's shaping up to be the worst flu season in 7 years. We're just halfway through, but already 19,000 people have died from flu. The CDC says more than 430,000 have been hospitalized. Some good news for patients who rely on Wegovy and Ozempic. The FDA says the nationwide shortage is over. Drug maker Novo Nordisk reports it's now meeting or exceeding demand for both of those medications. The shortage lasted since 2022, forcing many to turn to compounded versions. While those alternatives may soon be banned, the FDA says it will not take action against compounding pharmacies for at least 2 months. The push for raw milk is gaining momentum on social media, just as newly confirmed HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. challenges current FDA restrictions and bird flu hits U.S. dairy herds. Lee Waldman explains the risks of raw milk.
We're ready to go.
Stephen and Jamie Vincent run Brookby Farm, a dairy farm in upstate New York where they produce and sell raw milk.
People have gotten to a point where they want to get back to more natural way of living and eating.
They say they've personally seen the demand for raw milk skyrocket.
We have families that come get it in 5-gallon buckets.
As bird flu becomes a growing concern, the Vincents are back to COVID-era protocols.
New York has started testing the milk for that.
For 2 years, Bethany McDaniel has consumed raw milk on and off because she believes it has improved her dairy sensitivity, her children's immune system, and her gut health, though the FDA refutes all of those claims.
With proper standards in place, there's nothing dangerous or risky about it.
That's not the belief held by the majority of the medical community. Dr. Rabia Delator, a gastroenterologist, says prior to the required pasteurization of milk, up to 25% of foodborne illnesses came from it.
The process of actually getting milk from a cow into an actual container for you to drink was fraught with different types of infectious sources.
Milk is pasteurized by applying high heat over a short period of time, which kills bacteria without removing nutrients found in milk. Delator warns against drinking raw milk and urges anyone interested to research the risks.
If you blindly follow instructions that you see on social media, you could be hurting yourself or your loved ones, and so I wouldn't recommend that.
Good reminder for us all.